folks, how's it going? Cam's here with an unboxing video for you. This kicked off 2 months ago, I want to say. Could be even longer than that, when Michael Watts posted an Instagram video of his playing a Gretsch White Falcon guitar. I'd seen a White Falcon before. KT Tunstall plays one. I enjoy KT Tunstall's music. But it never really grabbed my attention until I saw Michael Watts play just a short clip, 30 seconds, on his Instagram feed. That started months of research, a couple of months. I knew nothing about Gretsch. Now, some of you know I've been teaching electric guitar rock school down at the high school, and I've really been enjoying that programme, and I didn't have an electric guitar. So I borrowed one from a friend, and I've been using that, a Yamaha, which has been really helpful. I've been enjoying it a lot, and I thought, well, I can't keep this borrowed guitar forever. I'm going to have to get one of my own. So I kept looking at the White Falcon. I kept looking at it again and again. And then I decided I just had to have one. So which model? Well, I tried one in Air at Air Guitar. I used 2004, I think it was. And it was the first time I'd tried one. It was the first time I'd seen one in real life, and it felt very comfortable. This particular one had no fingerboard inlay. It just had the thumbnail inlay. It didn't have the vertical Gretsch logo on the headstock, and it did have a Bigsby. So I tried to find one with a Bigsby with the full fretboard inlay, the humps and the feathers, and a vertical logo on the headstock. Couldn't find one. Couldn't find one for love or money. And then I thought, well, what's more important, the Bigsby or the inlay? And I thought to myself, do you know what? I love that inlay. So I found one that was discounted with Bax Music over in the Netherlands, and they had sent me a 15% coupon to use during the month of March. So I ended up getting it for a really good price, and it just arrived today. So here is my unboxing. I have a butter knife and a box. Let's get to it. It's double boxed. That's nice to see. We've got a Gretsch box inside the back shipping box, and it's got bubble pillows on the ends. Here we are, got an inspection for the wrong model, 59 VS. This one says 55 GE, Vintage Select. That's the right model. One from Fender Warehouse, San Bernardino, California. Fender to the Netherlands, and it's shipped to me from the Netherlands, which is where Bax Music is based. So do we open the top or the side? Top. So we've got some more staples to remove from the top. So I ordered this on the 23rd of March, so 2 Saturdays ago. It was back ordered, so it's been a bit of a wait. Nice packaging actually. Wow, look at that. That's neat. So that top of the case nestles in there. And some more great packaging, which is all going to have to come out, I think. It's corrugated inserts, keeping it all in the right place. Here we are. That's Very neat packaging. A great Gretsch sound. TKL case. Okay. Gretsch logo on the side. There's some weight to the case. Okay, I'm going to move the camera now. I'll bring you in so that I can open up the case. Right, this is the special moment. There's no moment quite like this for a guitarist. It really is a special moment, and it's the first one I've filmed. So, shall we do this? Here we go. Oh my. The smell. The smell is delightful. Look at that. Now, forgive me if I'm wrong, but this is actually the wrong guitar. They've sent me the 59 and not the 55. Right, what am I going to do now? They've sent me the wrong guitar. When I was unboxing, I noticed that there were two different stickers. One of them says inspection 59 VS, which is this one, has a Bigsby, and what I ordered was the 55 GE, and there's a sticker on there for the 55 GE as well. This is a dilemma, but I will of course try this one, but it's a disappointment. This is like the one I tried at Air Guitar with the Bigsby and the horizontal Gretsch logo and the thumbnail inlays, so it's not the one I wanted. But in any case, let's lift it out. It is beautiful. Bigsby. Look at the bling. And the logo on the top. Beautiful guitar. Gorgeous. But it's not what I ordered, so I'm going to have to get in touch with Bax and let them know and get this sorted out. Thanks for watching.